The best drought-tolerant lawn alternatives. It may look like dirt, but decomposed granite (DG) is actually a gritty, crumbly granite rock that binds together when compacted. Unlike dirt, it doesn't create dust or particles when you walk on it. And for areas that don't need to be paved or landscaped, DG is a great solution. In addition to replacing your lawn with DG, think about using it for other areas that don't necessarily require paving, like driveways, patios, or pet spaces. Native grasses planted together in meadows or drifts add movement to your landscaping as they move with the wind. If chosen wisely, that is, looking for grasses that are native to your region, then the watering requirements will be suited for the environment. Plant several of the same species together for a striking visual effect. Group according to height, with taller grasses in the back and shorter ones at the front of the border. In the category of decorative rock as a lawn substitute, pea gravel is quick, easy, and economical. While many colors are available, the most common is a mix of earthy tones. If you just can't imagine your home without a green expanse of lawn, artificial turf might be the answer. Naturally, it doesn't require water, making it a low-maintenance lawn substitute. No weeds, no fertilizer, no mowing, sounds pretty ideal, right? Gaining popularity and considered a sustainable form of hardscape, permeable pavement allows rainwater to seep into the ground as it falls rather than running off into storm drains or waterways. Permeable paving acts like a sand filter, forcing water to pass through different sizes of aggregate and/or filter fabric. Combine hardscape materials with drought-tolerant plants. By using at least a few different types of hardscape, the missing lawn is not as obvious because there are several surfaces and elements to look at. Possibilities include paved surfaces, walls, rocks and boulders, and even outdoor furniture. Selecting plants that blend with or complement the colors of the hardscape helps tie together the design. Instead of planting all of one type of plant, like succulents or ornamental grasses, carefully plan your landscape to incorporate different types of drought-tolerant plants. Group according to needs, like water, light, and soil, along with height. Most plants need about a year to establish growth, get rooted, and become acclimated to your yard before becoming truly drought-tolerant. Use drought-tolerant ground covers alone or in combination with other water-wise plants and hardscape, or between crevices of pavers or flagstone. Most are best suited for small spaces. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.